Hello, we're at Disney Palm Golf Course today.
Yeah, looking forward. It's the first time we've done a Disney course. The service was great when we got here.
So everyone was really friendly, the cart attendant, the pro shop, the starters, and I really think the putting green was pretty beautiful.
Yeah, it was huge. It was amazing. It was really nice. Driving range, not so special. We were hitting off of mats this day. I don't know if it's always like that, but it was just kind of mediocre.
And now we're looking forward to playing some golf.
Woohoo, it's a hot day.
All right, so we played 5 holes. What do you think so far?
That's a beautiful course. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. And we're moving away from the road, so that's good, right?
Yes, that is good.
All right.
And I still have my first ball.
There you go.
So this expansive course has many things that we like. For one, the informative hole signs talks about different players who played at this course. They have some Mickey ear tee markers and Mickey shaped drop zones. They have lots of cool little touches like funny signs around. And the drive from hole to hole, we get to see some flowers, trees, and today we get to see a lot of wildlife. Hello there, we're in the middle of a rain delay right now. It is pouring.
It's beautiful, though. Lots of pretty trees and bushes and animals.
We even saw deer, which is cool, coming out to check out the rain.
Lots of big birds. All right, but
Here we are on the 18th hole, and I'm gonna video Bob with his tee shot. And I'm
all right, so just finished up our round at 18. 18 is a bear of a hole. It's a real long par 4. Water left, water right, water in the middle. Not my favorite hole, though. I love number 6 even more. Number 6 is just a great golf hole. It is the toughest hole on the course, but it's also beautiful. It's just a really nice golf hole. There's water that you got to worry about on the left and in front of you. Your second shot, you got to carry water to get to the green. But it's just beautiful. It's stunning to look at, and it's fun to play.
I think it's a beautiful course. I've only been playing a few years, and I feel like I did pretty well today.
Yeah.
I'm happy with how I played, so I had a great time.
Yeah, only a couple of holes had forced carries, and they were pretty generous with drop zones if you put it in the water. How about the scenery today on the course?
Oh my gosh, beautiful. So many pretty trees, ponds, and wildlife. Currently over there. What is he?
That's a little blue heron.
Yeah, a little blue heron. Yeah, lots of nice.
Yeah, there's like wildlife everywhere. It was kind of distracting, but it was beautiful. And the course was in great shape. So as far as a course review, I would say that the greens were awesome. They were a little slower than I thought, but it also rained a crap ton today. Fairways were beautiful, tee boxes were beautiful. Pace of play was pretty good. And the holes were creative, right? And like Jackie said, she's a beginner and it was fair for her. I've been playing for 128 years and it was fair and interesting for me. What do you think about the price? If we actually won this in an auction or bid on it on an auction, but prices would have been anywhere from 120 to like $80 or $90 depending on time of day. What do you think? Worth it or?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's worth it too. All right, so we both approve of Disney golf. We played the Palms today, and we'd probably come back and try Magnolia or Buena Vista sometime as well. Awesome place, check it out, and have fun.
Thanks for stopping by. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you subscribe to the Sunshine Vagabonds channel below. Thanks.